In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or register on Temu and check that your region is set to the United Kingdom. To get started, open Chrome on your computer and go to tmu.com. Once the home page loads, give it a moment to fully display. This helps make sure all the buttons and menus appear correctly before you continue. You should be looking at the main Temu homepage in your browser window. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click the Sign In or Register button. This is the main entry point if you already have an account or if you're creating one for the first time. After you click it, a sign-in panel or pop-up should appear on the screen with different login options. At this point, you can choose the method that works best for you. If you want to use your email, enter your personal email address in the field provided and continue through the sign-in or registration process as prompted on screen. Make sure you type your email carefully so there are no mistakes, especially if you're setting up a new account and may need to receive verification messages later. If you prefer a faster option, you can select the Google account link instead. This is useful if you want to sign in with an account you already use regularly in Chrome. When you click the Google option, a Google sign-in window may appear, allowing you to choose the account you want to use. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete that step. Once you are signed in, the next thing to do is check your settings. Look for the settings area within your account or profile section and open it. Inside the settings, find the region setting and verify that it is set to United Kingdom. This is an important detail because the region can affect the version of the site you see, along with pricing, shipping availability, and other location-based options. If the region is already set to United Kingdom, then you're all set. If not, update it and save the change if needed. It's a good idea to double-check that the setting has been applied before leaving the page, and that's it. You've opened Temu in Chrome, signed in or registered using your email or Google account, and confirmed that your region is set correctly to the United Kingdom.